Hi guys, I will show you how to make a how to download compound cars. First, this is a compound car. So go in first Play Store. Again go search COMPECE. That will come. That is the first one. Again, I download it. Again, you will download. Again, you can play these games. So go and you will come inside. Start the game. Drive now. Drive CD and go in 34 level. Like first you were starting from 1. I finished at 34. Again start the game. See, you got so much cars in this game. So please download this game and like and subscribe this game. This side with this cars is on. So you drive here. And left, right, home, and that is for stopping, friend, near, and gas and reverse. Okay, you understand the games? So you can go now play. Go that way. Download like this. It will like this. Friend do like this crashing. Crash. That will be careful. So again, you will be out of this game. So you want to get money and you want to play. You see, cars are coming. So be careful to drive this car. When it will come and that when so it means that is your last morning of driving of your car. So please drive this game carefully, please. My name is Aro. You saw in my last video how to download it. So see, now I'm going. It will 543 vehicles. So you will know it will be your game be closed. So please drive carefully and you want to give about that money. And this download signals and that will check your point. And when that orange will come, means park here to the right, so it means you want to park your car there, and there will be one arrow orange color. Please. I can make also video in Hindi in YouTube, so please message down. I can you make in Hindi, so I will make for every in Hindi also. Okay people, so you understand how to drive? Again drive like that only. And you can go like this. It is a real here. See, that is my last one. See, yeah, see, again it came out. So please be careful. I told you go one. Be careful that you actually that girl will tell us. So please try carefully in these games. There is so big dangerous things. Okay. There is you will get more levels and more levels. So then you will be big, and then your car driving will be so good to drive with our car. See how much time it will get? It will get this much. Now see, Jack told the errands are coming. So park here. So I want to park here this car. I told you that orange thing park here. Again do like this. Then go back. sometimes it will be difficult parking for you. See, like this back. You can do like that and see back. Or where do you want to see? It is difficult for me also. Status code also in 36 level. So please I have to just keep like this. In the parking, make a U-turn. In this thing, you can make a U-turn and do like this. You can keep any side, straight like that, like this. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe and share this video please with everybody. Okay, thank you for watching.